Okay, sweet. Okay, I feel like this is cheating. Okay, I'm gonna go back to the reading because he's a little bit ahead for me. So we'll start with there. Start from the beginning. And I don't know. Let me see if the mic is doing okay. Make sure everybody can hear me on here. Slow-mo details. Okay, well, when we get to somebody watching, then we'll see if people can hear me or not. Okay. So the first chapter, he said start at chapter 2. Okay, all right, let's get our Quizlet up while we're doing this so we can put these things in here. Pseudocode flowchart, ovals on a flowchart. All right, I started working on this yesterday. All right, function, piece of written paper, or a piece of pre-written code that performs an operation. Oh, let's get some music in here too. All right, we got the lo-fi playing. We got the flashcards open. Got the program open. Got our book. All right, a function is a piece of pre-written code. Okay, I read this. So we tried this yesterday. So in order to do the first step in our program, it says that we need to have our program display a welcome message for your program. All right, so going to replit, I think the command was print, parentheses, welcome to my program. Quotes to make sure that, so that is called a, what's it called? An argument. So the argument goes inside the parentheses, which goes inside the quotes, and this is what is going to be displayed. Welcome to my program. All right, so I got the first step. So the second step, capture the number of feet of fiber optic to be installed from the user. So I don't know how to do that yet. I'm assuming that's a function and that's what's coming next. Okay. These pieces of data are sequences of characters in programming terms. In programming terms, a sequence of characters that is used as data is called a string. Okay, so these things make a string. Let me make sure I have that. Flowchart, pseudocode. Okay, string. Okay, a sequence of characters is used as data. Maybe I should put that in as an example too. I'm gonna close this one. In Python, you can enclose string literals in a set of single quote marks or set of double quote marks. The string literals in program 2.1 are enclosed in single quote marks, but the program could also be written as shown in program 2.2. Okay, so in 2.1, they use single quotes and double quotes, so that doesn't make a difference. Okay, good to know. If you want a string literal to contain either a single quote or an apostrophe as part of the string, you can enclose the string literal in double quote marks, for example. Okay. Print don't fear. Print. Got it. Okay. Well, likewise, you can use single quote marks to enclose a string literal that contains double quotes as part of the string. So, quote, your assignment is to read Hamlet by tomorrow, and that outputs. Okay, so you can put quotes inside of quotes. That's pretty self-explanatory. Makes sense. Python also allows you to enclose string literals in triple quotes. Why would you need triple quotes? I guess if you're going to do single and double. Oh, okay. Triple quotes can also be used to surround multi-line strings, something for which single and double quotes cannot be used. Here's an example. Print 1, 2, 3. Okay, because the string. Okay, I'm going to try that. So print. Whoa, that was too many. 1, 2, 3, and then I need triple again. Okay, so that did not work. Oh, I can't spell either. Most recent file, runner Python. Print, did I spell it wrong? Oh, I used a capital P. Nice. Okay, so lesson learned. When doing functions, you need to make sure that they're not capital. They need to be undercase, lowercase. Okay. Non-interactive checkpoint questions from the book. Write a statement that displays your name. Write a statement that displays the following text. Python's the best. Write a statement that displays the following text. The cat said meow. Okay, I think I can do that. So I need to make a statement. Let's see. Python's the best, and the cat said meow. I'll use. Is it Python is the best or Python's the best? Okay. All right. So let's see. How would we do this? Okay, so we're going to go do a print function, lowercase, parentheses, Python. Okay, we need to use a double quote because we're going to do the apostrophe here. Python's the best. And then we'll close it off with a double quote. Okay, let's see if that works. Okay, I think I need to. I don't know how that works there. Python's the best. All right, so we got that. Now let's see if we can do another function. So this one has quotes inside, so I think I need to use, can I use single quote? The cat said meow. And then close it with single quote. Cool. Easy. Not too bad. Okay. Next page, please. Okay. Let me make sure I'm reading the right stuff. Chapter 2 and starting out Python. Okay, nice. Comments are notes of explanation that document lines or sections of a program. Okay, let's do comments. Document or lines or sections of a program. Okay. Comments are part of the program, but the Python interpreter ignores them. They are intended for people who may be reading the source code. Okay. Comments are short notes placed in different parts of a program, explaining how those parts of the program work. Although comments are a critical part of a program, they are ignored by the Python interpreter. Comments are intended for any person reading a program's code, not the computer. It's okay, easy enough. In Python, you begin a comment with the hashtag character. When the Python interpreter sees a hashtag character, it ignores everything from that character to the end of the line. For example, look at program 2-5, lines 1 and 2 are comments that briefly explain the program's purpose. Okay, this program displays a person's name and address. Why do they do 2 lines for that? Okay, let's try that. So on lines 1 and 2, we'll say hashtag this comment displays my opinion on Python. And then this comment displays, no, this comment should show a cat saying meow. All right, let's run that. Nice. Okay, so doing a hashtag. So for my assignment, I'll probably need to do hashtags and then explaining what each of these comments say, or explaining what each of my program functions is, and then going through so the teacher can see that. All right. Programmers commonly write end-line comments in their code. An end-line comment, is a comment that appears at the end of a line of code. It usually explains a statement that appears in that line. Displays the name, display the address. Too easy. All right. So can I just cut straight out of this program? I don't know how to delete line 1. Okay, we'll just go with, oh yeah, because it makes, nice. So what does that look like in the book? End line comment. The end of a line of code. As a beginning programmer, you might be resistant to the idea of liberally writing comments in your programs. After all, it can seem more productive to write code that actually does something. It is crucial that you take the extra time to write comments. Heck yeah, I want people to know what I'm actually doing. However, they will almost certainly save you and others time in the future when you have to modify or debug the program. Large and complex programs can be almost impossible to read and understand. They're not properly commented. Okay. Variables, nice. A variable is a name that represents a storage location in the computer's memory. Okay. Memory. Oh, that's not what we want. A variable is a name that represents a storage location in the computer's memory. We need Programs usually store data in the computer's memory and perform operations on that data. For example, consider the typical online shopping experience. You browse a website and add the items that you want to purchase to the shopping cart. As you add items to the shopping cart, data about those items is stored in memory. Then, when you click the checkout button, a program running on the website's computer calculates the cost of all the items you have in your shopping cart, applicable sales tax, shipping costs, and the total of all the charges. Okay. Programs use variables to store data in memory. A variable is a name that represents a value in the computer's memory. For example, a program that calculates the sales tax on a purchase might use a variable named tax. Okay, so the variable name is called tax to represent that value in memory. And a program that calculates the distance between two cities might use a variable named distance to represent that value in memory. When a variable represents a value in the computer's memory, we say that variable references the value. Okay. All right, an assignment statement used to create a variable and make it reference a piece of data. Age equal 25. After this statement executes, a variable named age will be created and it will reference the value 25. Okay, so let's try that ourselves. Age equal, I don't know if I need a space there, 31. Okay, all right, print. We need our quote. I am age years old. Quote. So oh, no, because that's in a quote. Let's try it and see what happens. Okay, how do I make it reference this? Let's see if we learn. Did I write down? Okay, assignment statement. After the statement executes, a variable named age will be created and it will reference a value of 25. Easy enough. An assignment statement is written in the following general format. The equal sign, assignment operator. Oh no. Okay, width equal 10. Let's try that. Width equals 11. And then length equal 5. But I've noticed that they have like a space. Does that matter? I don't know if this matters. Let's try it without a space. 12. Okay. So let's run this. Python's the best. The cat said meow. Okay. So how do I make that variable show? Oh, print age. Oh, is this freaking thing listening to me? It's like it's freaking listening to me. Oh, okay. So you use, okay. So that variable is referencing that expression. Okay. So if I don't, how would I make it say like, okay, let's try something else here. Print the cat. Oh, I feel like this is going to be really clunky. The cat. And then can I, oh, the cat is, so how did this do this? Is quotation marks, comma, age, comma. So I wonder if the commas separate the two different arguments. I'm not sure on that, but we'll have to see. All right, that's too easy. So this is gonna be stupid, but okay, we'll do quote. The cat said meow, double quote. Oh, yeah, double quote. Meow, age, double quote, times, parentheses. Okay, this didn't turn orange like the rest. Okay, did I forget a comma? Oh, oh. Oh, I think some of my, okay, I think these might be front facing. Okay, we're gonna have to go through and do the quotes again. I messed something up here. All right, so I think our commas are right. So we'll do a single quote here, and then we'll do double quotes here, followed by a single quote. I don't know why that's there. And then we'll do single quote, single quote. Okay. The cat said meow 31 times. Hey, it works. Okay. So maybe if I change, no, okay, so that kind of makes sense. Took us a bit, but okay. To experiment with variables using type assignments. Okay, that makes sense. Right. If you contain it in quote marks, then you're going to get the actual word. In an assignment statement, the variable that is receiving the assignment must appear on the left side. Yeah, that makes sense because if you put 25 as the variable and age is the expression, whenever you type 25, you'd get the word age. Oh, an error occurs if the item on the left side of the operator is not a variable. Okay. Interesting. Got it. How do I share this? Oh man, that's Ziggy. He's my best friend. It's his birthday today. Okay. Line 2 creates a variable named room and assigns it the value 503. Okay, that's too easy. Shows a sample program that uses two variables. Line 2 creates a variable named top speed, assigning the value 160. Line 3 creates a variable named distance, assigning the value 300. Okay. Too easy. All right, I'm going to try that. So I'm going to make some variables. We'll name, what should we name this variable? Top speed. I don't know if I need to use underscore. Can I just do space? But I do need an equal sign. Equals 2300. And then distance equals 1.6 miles. Can I do that? Okay, I don't know if I can leave that hanging off like that. We'll go 1.6K. Okay, so if I print the car can go a top speed of, and then do like this should work, right? Okay, and then we'll do print quote distance of, look at it. Oh wait, hold on, I messed that one up. The car can go top speed of, do I need commas? But only to a distance of, let's see. Okay, so this one doesn't, okay, so the K doesn't work. Line 12. Okay, what are we doing wrong here? Do we need the underscore? Oh, because this one now needs an underscore. Line 15. Where did I forget a comma? Okay, I forgot a comma here, I think. But I'm not sure. Do I need one after? No, I shouldn't, right? The car can go at top speed of 2300, but only to a distance of 1.6. So that actually worked. I got to remember my commas, but I don't yet know how to put like 1,000 or miles or anything like that. if you know how to do it, let me know. All right, so I got that. Two variables. You cannot use a variable until you have assigned a value to it. An error will occur if you try to perform an operation on a variable, such as printing it before it has been assigned a value. Yeah, but learning Python. So like the degree that I'm pursuing right now is cybersecurity. Like I have that certificate or whatever, but figured I'd go back to school while the military's still paying for it and shit like that. And so here I am, intro to programming. I don't know. I think the rest of my schedule has like advanced programming and stuff too, but I've never touched programming, so I got to learn it from scratch. Sometimes a simple typing mistake will cause us error. Learn that the hard way. One example is a misspelled variable name is shown here. But when you do spaces, do you need to do underscores? Because that's what it looked like they did. Oh, wait, did my top speed? Okay, because that's what I named it. But if I do no underscore, does it still work? No. Why do you have to do an underscore? Is that how you do spaces in Python? Okay, so that seems to make a difference. Okay, so sometimes in this code, the variable temperature is created, because it's uppercase and lowercase. Temperature, spelled the same. Okay. Okay, multiple assignment. Oh no. Okay. In Python, you can assign values to multiple variables in a single statement. Such a statement is known as a multiple assignment statement. XYZ equals 0, 1, 2. Okay, let's try that. We'll do A comma B comma C equal to 1 comma 5 comma, oh no, that's a 4, comma 10. So print what would be a good, oh, that looks like that works. Look, it just wrote a program for me. So what did it do? It did quote A equal, okay. Oh, but it didn't work, Mr. Program Writer Machine. So what did it mess up? A equals A, B equals B, C equals C. I don't think I need this. Quote. Nice. Okay. If I did a space here, would that just mess up the whole thing? Okay. So I'm not understanding the underscore and the space thing, but it seems to work. Okay, so multiple assignment statement. So assigning values to multiple variables in a single statement. name, comma, ID equal Trinidad. Oh, okay. So let's try that. Name, comma, ID equals. Do you need quotes for that? Looks like it lets. We'll name him Brick, comma. So you don't need quotes for this one. So if I print okay, print name ID. So if I, okay, so those things are assigned variable. After this statement executes, the name variable will be assigned Trinidad and the ID. Okay. Okay, a variable name cannot contain spaces. There we go. The first character must be one of the letters A through Z or an underscore character. After the first character, you may use the letters Z or A through Z. The digits 0 through 9 are underscores. In addition to following these rules, you should always choose names for your variables that give an indication of what they are used for. For example, a variable that holds the temperature might be named temperature. You don't want to name it like time. A variable that holds a car's speed might be named speed. You may be tempted to give variables names such as x and b2, but names like these give no clue as to what the variable's purpose is. That makes sense. The variable's purpose, programmers often find themselves coding names that are made of multiple words. For example, consider the following variable names: gross pay, pay rate, hot dogs sold today. Fortunately, these names are not easily read by the human eye because the words aren't separated. Because we can't have space in variable names, we need to find another way to separate the words in a multi-word variable name and make it more readable to the human eye. One way, underscore, got it. Camel case. Okay, let's write that down. Whoa. List several sample variable names indicate, and wait, lists table 2 lists several sample variable names and indicates whether each is legal or illegal. All right, let's put our hand over and see. Units per day. Okay, seems legal. Days of week. Okay, that's a camel case, legal. 3D graph is illegal because it cannot begin with a digit. June is okay, illegal. Mixture number 3. Okay, illegal. Variable names may only use letters, digits, or underscores. Printed a space separating. Did it? Yeah, because of the comma. Sweet. Statement in line 3, dollars equals 2.75. And then statement in line 8, dollars equals 99.5. Garbage collection. They hate this book is so weird. It hates when I copy stuff. It's like you can only copy 10%. That's it. Then you're cut off. Garbage collection. Okay. Okay. So it's kind of like I'm going to try something like that. Dollars equals, we'll go with 25. Okay, we'll try and write a real program. We'll do hashtag assign an amount $2. So this is our comment, and then we'll do our variable dollars equals 25, and then we'll do our print function, parentheses, I have parentheses, comma, dollars, comma, parenthesis, or quote, in my pocket, parentheses. Okay, and then we'll do another quote, assign a different amount to the variable dollars. Okay, dollars equal 1 because we got robbed. And then we'll print, quote, I now have dollars because I robbed. Let's see if that works. Oh, what's going on here? We broke it. I don't think the answer's, oh, we'll just clear that. Can you run my program, please? Okay, I'm gonna copy this and then I'm gonna hit refresh. I have 25 in my pocket. Oh, okay, so I have $25 in my pocket. I now have $1 because I got robbed. All right. Yo, how long is this chapter though? Holy shit. Long chapter. Okay. Oh wait, what is this? Okay, he had to skip chapter 1, so I'm just not even gonna go into it. Okay. Because different types of numbers are stored and manipulated in different ways, Python uses data types to categorize values in memory. When an integer is stored in memory, it is classified as an integer. A number stored in memory is classified as a float. Okay. When a real number is stored in memory, it is classified as an int, right? That's what it said. Following statement, which appears in program 2, has the number 503. Easy. In this example, the value 1 is passed as an argument to the type function. The message that is displayed on the next line, class int, its value is an int. So can I just write that command? Type 1. Will that work? Type? Is that what they did? Okay, so this one doesn't give me anything. Doesn't tell me what kind of type this is. 100.0. We'll go 100.9. Okay, so these are the variables, Catherine and Marino. Okay, x equals 99, print x, 99. X equal take me to your leader, print x, take me to your leader. Okay, that's kind of simple. What is a variable? A variable is a value. No, a variable is, how do I explain it? It's a word that is represented by an expression. What does it say? A name that represents a storage location in the computer's memory. Okay. Which of the following are illegal variable names in Python and why? Okay, this one is legal but frowned upon. This one is illegal because it starts with numbers. This one's good. This one's good. I don't know if and works, but this one's good. So I'm going to say that this is a no. This is a yes. This is a no. So it should be 1, 2, 3, 4 good ones. Nope, because uppercase and lowercase. Nope, because the number comes first. Val equal 99. What will the following code display? Nothing. Oh, well, it will display the value is val, I think. Yeah. Value 1 equal 99. Value 2 equal 45.9. Value 3 equals 7.0. Value 4 equals 7. Value 5 equals the literal ABC. Okay. I think it is time to take a break because this chapter seems to be quite large. But thanks for hanging with me. Hope you guys learned something because I sure did. Got a lot to look at, a lot to retain. Hope you guys have a great day. Thanks.